we are solving the Java MOOC course Java Programming first part, programming exercise 5.7, called the null pointer exception. And the programming exercise asks us to implement a program that causes the null pointer exception error. The error should occur directly after starting the program. That is, as soon as we hit the run button on our program, it should give us the error, and it does not want us to wait to read any inputs from the user and etc. Right? So what is a null pointer exception is, it is an error which indicates that we called a method on a variable that refers to nothing. So let's go into our program. Here, as you can see in line number 22, that we are calling a method on the variable lines, right? Now, if we are able to make this variable refers to nothing, then we probably will catch the error. So in order to do that, let's after this line, let's just set that lines equals to null and try to run this program and see what happens. This should give us the error, right? Yeah, we did get the error. So let's try and submit this to the server and see if that's all the program asks us to do. As you can see, all tests have passed on the server. Now, if you look at the output, where TMC is lagging, it's not responding. Let's wait a while. It's working. So if you look at this carefully at the error, then it just gives us the value of the row, right? That is line number 21. So in line number 21, that is this line right here, this variable is the one that giving us the null pointer exception error. So if we look into the lines variable, then we might be eventually getting to the solution of our problem, right? So if we just remove this and work it again, then yeah, we're gonna get all these lines printed. Yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching, and if there are any questions, you can ask down in the comment section. Thank you.